Miss Nora Sumang, our first runner-up. With, of course, her loving husband and partner. They'll be dancing later for us. And to do her final walk, our first runner-up last year, our current president of the Parish Council, no other than Mrs. Imelda Montanero, Nanay Maria Lucy of Vallejo, California, with her son. Is Mr. and Mrs. Ray Hammersmith. All right, Nanay Lucy, say bye-bye now to the crowd. And to the crowd, bye-bye. You would still be our queen. Okay, first runner-up, Mrs. Nora Sumang of San Diego, California.